30 minutes. This is how much it takes for the detection of acute COVID-19 with Endomass by Endodiagnostics. Endomass is a reliable, rapid and cost-effective high-throughput solution for SARS-CoV-2 laboratory testing, performed on any standard real-time PCR cycler, requiring no RNA extraction step, and using novel isothermal amplification technology. Endomass produces results within only 30 minutes, while its sensitivity and specificity reach the highest industry standards. Because we can't afford to go back.